Pyle 3-piece professional dynamic microphone kit. Cardioid Unidirectional vocal handheld mic with hard carry case. The Pyle professional dynamic microphone kit provides reliable studio and stage-tested performance. The unidirectional moving coil handheld mic features an ultra-wide frequency response range, which makes it perfect for vocals. It delivers excellent sound pickup whether recording in the studio or performing on stage. Additional features include built-in acoustic pop filter, high-signal audio output, rugged construction with steel mesh grill, on/off switch for stage control, along with an included XLR connection cable. Enjoy reliable sound performance with the Pyle PDMIC KT34 professional dynamic microphone. Features includes 3 handheld microphones and 3 XLR audio cables, built-in acoustic pop filters, ultra-wide frequency response, high signal output for vocals and singing, rugged construction and steel mesh grill, reinforced sound cartridge, on/off switch for stage control, perfect for stage performances or in-studio use. Technical specs: mic element, hypercardioid, pickup pattern, unidirectional moving coil, mic construction material, zinc alloy, audio cable connectors, XLR to 1/4 XLR. Cable length, 26 ft, open circuit sensitivity, -54 dB, frequency response, 60 Hz, 15 kHz, output impedance, 600 ohm, /3 dB, 0 dB = 1 V/PA at 1 kHz, mic dimensions, LXW, 6'7 x 1/8 each, mic weight, 0.61 pounds, each, sold as kit, weight, 7.23 pounds. Satisfaction guaranteed. Your satisfaction is our #1 priority. If this item fails to meet your expectations, we will accept it back, a full refund within the first 30 days. We also stand behind this product with a limited 1-year manufacturer warranty. Contact us if the item should show any defect within the first year. We will help exchange it for a new one. Unidirectional cardioid pickup pattern captures source signals such as guitar amplifier or vocalist, while shunning off-axis sound, minimizing background noise and feedback, reproducing audio without interference from instruments or speakers on stage. Dynamic, for optimal clarity and punch, robust and resistant to moisture, achieving high gain before feedback, makes this microphone ideal for live vocal applications and for recording amplified instruments. Ultra-wide frequency response, for brilliant and transparent sound with integrated pop filter and windscreen to minimize breath and pop noises. You can count on it to come through after countless gigs and studio applications. Travel case and accessories, beautiful hard travel case and storage bag for microphone clip holders and professional grade 26 feet XLR to 1/4 cables supplied. Perfect for professional studios and on-stage vocal performances all over the globe. High quality, rugged, all-metal construction for maximum reliability, featuring a zinc die-cast case and steel mesh windscreen with anti-dent ring. A perfect all-purpose, versatile stage and recording microphone. Pyle 3-piece professional dynamic microphone kit. Cardioid unidirectional vocal handheld mic with hard carry case and bag, holder/clip and 26 ft XLR audio cable to 1/4 audio connection, PDMIC KT34. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.